Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. And firstly, we need to update your software version to the latest version. Open HONOR AI Space application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see them at the device list. Tap on it and then go to Update. Then at the bottom click Check for updates and check it, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one, but if it didn't help you or you haven't new software version, the next step is to reopen your audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music for it, or Spotify, or something else, your browser. You need to remove this application from the cache and then open it. Now check it. Next one, also you need to check is your application have the last version. So open App Store or Google Play and check it. And update if you haven't. If it also didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then do not close the case. Open the lid. So at the back side of each earbud, right here we have touch areas, and you need to press and hold at this touch areas for at least 10 seconds until this LED light starts blinking red. So press and hold. Firstly, it entered to prank mode, so it starts blinking white. It's okay, just keep holding this touch areas. And here we go, we have a red LED light, so you can release your fingers. Now we need to remove it from your phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and right here at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to use control these touch areas to enter prank mode manually. We just tap at these earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!